Eduardo, you're grounded.
Today we are going to ride the Amtrak train today. The what train? The Amtrak train. Why are we riding the Amtrak train today? Because you got us kicked off the airplane flight. Go check that video out. It's pretty worth it. Well, what time's our train leaving? I don't know, but we'll have to get in the train. But here are the rules when we get on this train. Rule number 1. Please do not act like a clown. Because if you do, you just don't want to know. You'll be grounded. Alright? Yes, sir. Alright. The bags are packed. Where are we even going? We're going to San Francisco, California. Alright, let's go. When they got to the Amtrak station. Hello, welcome to Amtrak. What can I do for you? Hey, we're here to, go on a train trip. Okay, just park your car and you'll be clear. Thank you. Hello, welcome to Amtrak. What can I do for you today? Hey, we're here to ride the Amtrak train. The county's line. The county's line? Oh, you're a couple passengers before we board. So, just good luck. Enjoy your trip. Don't I have to pay? No, it's free today. Lucky. What? Nothing. Alright, well, security's that way. Alright, let's go. Please, can I see your tickets? I don't know. Alright, thank you. Okay, we are here at the train. Now, let's get on. I don't want to get on. Too bad. If you don't get on this train, we wasted like 200 tickets for nothing. Now get in. Ouch. Well, we're in the train, I guess. Yep. Now just sit tight and hold. Hello, I'm the driver of the train. Do you guys have your tickets? Yeah. Alright, thank you. Let's go. What do you want to drink? I'm not thirsty. Hello, what? Come to Amtrak. What can I do for you today? I'll just have a water. Alright, what about you? Can I have a Pepsi? We don't have Pepsi right now. This train sucks. Hey, watch your mouth. No, I'm serious. There's no Pepsi. Okay, can I have a root beer? No. How much are the prices? Well, the root beer is $7. Bruh. 6-7 is a dead meme. No, it is not. That is basically true. When they were done, well, I'm going to use the bathroom. What's this door lead to? Hey, can I drive? No, you cannot drive. Yes, I can. I'm an adult. You know what? Oh, take that, loser.
I don't make this train go fast. No. Oh no, I'm going too fast. I gotta hold on.
How do I drive this thing? What's this button do? Well, I'm assuming that was the horn, so... Wait, why is the train moving so fast? Oh my god. Hey! Uh-oh. Eduardo, what are you doing? Nothing? Why is the train driver knocked out? Not out. What are you talking about? Bro, he is knocked out.
Because I knocked him out. Oh,
Oh no. Okay, I stopped the train. Oh dear. Why did you knock out the train driver? Because I wanted to go to wherever we would be going very fast. Bruh. At least no one is coming, right? Hey. Uh-oh. It's an Amtrak security worker. Get the hell off this train. Please. No, please. You don't understand. Shut up. Get off this train. I don't want to hear it. I already heard it. Okay, can we at least get our bags? Get your bags and get out of this train right now. Uh-oh. Make me.
Yeah! Oh!
Hey! You can't leave us.
Shut up!
No! No, 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 no! Hey, wait! You can't just leave us. Oh, great. Now we're in the middle of nowhere because our train left us. Well, great. I guess we're kicked off this train. We'll find a way home. When I got back to the Amtrak station. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, we're back home. We weren't supposed to be. Eduardo, you're grounded, and it's still Amtrak, I guess, Amtrak Borealis gets an extension line. Now go to your room right now. Man, and don't come out of your room.